Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In this video I will be talking about this app Baza. Okay, so if you watching my video for the very first time or coming across my channel for the very first time, consider subscribing, like the video, and also comment if you have any question. Okay, and again you can turn the notification bell on for the future videos. Okay, so guys, let me tell you something. Baza app is having different features that can make you extra money. Okay, so just listen to me. Right here you can see I'm having $11.32. I'm gonna show you everything in this account. So they have new feature. This new update has new feature where you can do KYC and be a content creator on Baza. So if you're somebody who wants to create content about football or football niche or any other game, okay, like games, it's all about games. It's a gaming app, so mostly football guys, football. Okay, so if you can create content about football, then this app is for you. If you're somebody who loves football, or maybe you can just put, you can see people have different things going on here. Okay, so different features, as I've said. You can also earn points that are going to be turned into Baza coin. So you can see, let me show you an update. This, okay, let us go to, these are videos. You can see different videos, people posting. And this app too, this new feature, you can you see the way you can buy premier account, or maybe you can subscribe, look at the subscription, like the way we do on Facebook, so that your videos can be sent to right audiences, or you get more likes or more viewers. Okay, so they pay you per view. Okay, and again they will give you points. Okay, so right here, let me show you. Here you'll get notification of people following you, people you refer. If you refer someone, or if someone join through your link, you'll be rewarded. And right now guys, the price of this coin, Baza coin, which is about to be launched soon, trust me guys, take this opportunity serious. The link will be on the description of this video. Join immediately after watching this video. I've posted about this app since 2024. When I started talking about this app, the price was 0.3, 0.03. Right now the price is 0.07. Imagine guys, you can see people are following you, you can follow them back, you can see the notifications from, you can just, people will just follow you. As for me, you can see even me, soon I'm going to like see this, because I applied to be a content creator on this app. I applied. Let me show you something. I don't know whether it has been approved, so they were to approve it. Let me see the notification here. Hi, nice to meet you. Those are people sending me inboxes. I'm gonna check on that later. So guys, let me show you something. Yeah, so this is what I was talking about. You can see the uploads you've done. You can see the the followers, the people you are following. You can go pro. If you go pro, you'll be able to reach many people, many audiences, and get more views. You can see I submitted my documents for verification so that I can start creating. And the rule is, you have to be active on the app for 10 days. Follow like consecutively 10 days, because like you have to be, even like you have to be on the app every day for 10 days for 60 seconds, that is 1 minute. And every day, whenever you be in the app for the 60 seconds every day, they reward you 1 point, and 1 point right now is $0.07. Okay guys, you can see, you can see everything. You can see posts, you can see reels, you can see blogs, you can see threads, everything. Okay, so if you want to post, you just go to your profile, then you click on create your post. Okay, create your first post. Okay, it's so simple. If it comes to points, let me explain something to points here guys. You can see right here, if it comes to points, you can see right here, the price, you can see right here. I have 164 points, which is $11. Okay, you can see. And right now we are in phase 2. It is February, and on 1st April we will be going to phase 3. They will create wallet. Then in May 1st we'll be having phase 4 3. They are going to open pre-sale where people can buy and can buy the coin. At the same time, on August 1st, they are gonna list it so that we will be able to sell our own coins as pioneers. So guys, don't let this opportunity. You can see you can earn through views, like posting content. You can earn through referrals, which is not a must. You can earn every time you spend 60 minutes every day on this app. They would give you one coin. Okay, so it is so simple, guys. It is so simple. It's so simple. So if you want to get your link, just click on send. Okay, if you want to get a link, you're gonna click on and you can see spend 60 seconds in the app and 1 point, spend 5 minutes in the app and 100. This is for the first time when you register. Then refer and get 1 point. Okay, so guys, it works, it's real. And right now people are withdrawing money, and people, it's not the first time people have withdrawn. If you check on Baza, about Baza coin on social media, you will learn more. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna put this my link on the description of the video so that you can join. It will direct you. You're supposed to download the app, the right app. Then I'm gonna put the code on the description of the video, so you can use the code or you can use the referral code. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. If you have any question, comment there. And again, you can join our WhatsApp group for more updates. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.